Could a humble South African brew transform your health? Rooibos, also called red bush tea, comes from Aspalathus linearis and has been enjoyed in South Africa for generations as a naturally caffeine-free infusion rich in flavor and low in tannins. Unlike traditional black or green teas, Rooibos contains no caffeine, making it an excellent evening beverage for people seeking calm and better sleep, and suitable for children and caffeine-sensitive adults. Packed with unique antioxidants like aspalathin and nothofagin, Rooibos helps neutralize free radicals and may reduce oxidative stress linked to aging and chronic disease, supporting cellular health and reducing inflammation over time. Preliminary studies suggest Rooibos can support heart health by improving cholesterol balances and aiding healthy blood pressure levels when consumed as part of a balanced diet, especially when combined with exercise and whole foods. Some research also indicates Rooibos may help regulate blood sugar and insulin response, which could be beneficial for metabolic health and type 2 diabetes risk management, while more human trials are still needed. Rooibos is gentle on the stomach and often used to soothe digestive discomfort, reduce cramps, and calm mild gastrointestinal irritation without the bitterness of many herbal infusions, and it is naturally sweet. The tea's anti-inflammatory compounds may promote clearer skin and faster recovery from minor irritations when used both as a drink and in topical skincare preparations, and topical extracts are appearing in some products. Rich in minerals like calcium, manganese, and fluoride, Rooibos contributes to bone health and dental strength, although it should complement, not replace, a nutritious diet and exercise, and more research is needed to quantify benefits. Preparing Rooibos is simple. Steep a generous spoonful in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes for full flavor, or brew longer for a richer, dessert-like profile, and use loose leaf for best taste. Enjoy it plain, with a splash of milk, or chilled as an iced tea, and experiment with lemon, honey, or spices to match personal taste without adding caffeine. Chill and serve with mint for a refreshing drink. While Rooibos is generally safe for most people, those on specific medications or pregnant women should consult their healthcare provider before making it a daily habit because interactions with some medications have been reported. Scientific evidence remains promising but not definitive, so Rooibos should be viewed as a healthy complement to lifestyle choices rather than a cure-all miracle beverage, and ongoing studies will clarify its benefits. With its soothing aroma, mild sweetness, and healthful compounds, Rooibos offers an approachable way to add antioxidant-rich hydration to daily routines for many tea lovers whether morning or night. If you enjoyed this look at Rooibos benefits, please subscribe to the channel and like the video.